Alright, I got this mower here from one of my neighbors. They said they were just mowing and this popped off. I can't get it back on by hand. So I'm just going to try and tap it on with a hammer and see if it'll start. Nope. Just broke that piece right there. I gotta be careful because I don't want to break the spark plug either. I don't know why I can't get the spark plug just to go on. It should be like easy. Grabbed a little extension and see if this will help me get a better hit on it. Alright, I think it's on now. Let's see if it starts. Does sound a little weird though. Ooh. Well, this is gonna need an oil change. Oh. It's gonna need an air filter. And it's got a full tank of gas. So I guess we'll change the oil, clean/change the air filter, and then see how it runs. This thing either shrunk or that ain't the right size air filter. I don't have the right size air filter. So I'm gonna have to get a new one of those. But until then, we're gonna change the oil. Now that I got all the old oil out, I can go ahead and start putting in the fresh oil. When you check the oil, you want to make sure you re-wipe this off. That way you don't get a false reading. It's about right where I want it. Probably run it a little bit and then check it again. See if I need to add a little. I should probably put the spark plug back on, but I'm gonna try that. Might check that blade underneath because it seems to have a little bit of a wobble to it. Oh yeah, look at that. Does that look bent to you guys? Looks bent to me. Gotta get a new blade for it. Other than it needing an air filter and a new blade, and I could use some new wheels, but that's not worth me replacing. Works great, as far as I can see anyways. I mean, I'll have to replace the blade and see if there's any further issues. And the spark plug coming undone, I don't know what that was about. But that's gonna be the end of this video. So if you want to see more, subscribe. If you liked the video, like the video. And I'll see you in the next one.